Hi, today we make a primary teaching for handheld laser welder operation. Firstly, turn on the air switch. Then release the protection air. We can see the residual air pressure. Adjust the throttle to make the air pressure button. Release the emergency button and turn on the power. Light up the start button, then touch the screen panel. Now we entered the operation page. Log in with password. Input power percentage. For example, this machine is 1000 watt. Would input 80% means the output power will be 800 watts. If input 40%, then will be 400. And we suggest to set frequency 1000 pulse width 1 ms and duty radio 100 for normal works. Swing type suggests linear. Swing frequency suggests from 80 to 120, depends the welding effect and material. Output laser diameter. Can preview the diameter be red light indicator. Now adjust it from 3 to B1, it change immediately. Air delay setting 100 ms, means when you stop laser output, the protection air will continue output for 100 ms. Swing icon. If disabled, the laser will be only one tiny spot. If enabled, the laser light will output at set diameter. Laser enable icon. Control the laser can be output or not. Safe lock icon. Once enabled, the laser must always make looping in with the safety clamp. Only the laser machine tune into the loop. The laser can be shut out. Okay, here we finished today's lesson. Thank you all.